We cannot afford to play this game. We cannot make ourselves look righteous, because the Lord knows our hearts and He knows what is actually being produced. We do not want to be acting, faking, and trying to look righteous, because if we're doing it in our own power, it will not produce good fruit, and we will risk hearing Him tell us that He never knew us. We cannot produce true fruits of the Spirit or fruits of righteousness unless we are abiding in Him. And we will be known by our fruits. Even if the world may be deceived for a time, God is not deceived.